Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nxtta. I know I haven't uploaded in a while since my first video, but I was getting a lot of things ready, plus I had exams, and it was just a mess. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Roccat Kone XP from Roccat. First off, thank you to Roccat for sending this out and giving me a chance to review. And for you guys, if you want to purchase this mouse yourself, there's a link in the description below, and use the code as well. And if you guys enjoy the video, leave a like. But let's get started. So I'm not gonna lie, I already unboxed this for TikTok, so I had to kind of repackage it up for YouTube. Basically what I'm saying is, if you guys were to grab one, it will be packaged much better. Right out of the box, the mouse feels really solid and pretty light. One of my favorite features of the mouse is the crystal 4D wheel, which you'll see during the sound test. Anyway, you get your typical manual for the mouse as well as some extra feet, and obviously the mouse itself. The mouse uses Titan optical switches, and this is how they sound. The cable is 1.8 meters long and it's super light. It basically feels like it's not even there, but my preference is wireless. And now everyone's favorite part, the RGB. The RGB gives off a 3D look and the lights just illuminate perfectly with the shape of the mouse, which is copied from the previous Kone mouse from Roccat. The mouse offers 19,000 DPI with a button at the top of the mouse to quickly change to a customizable preset. I used this mouse for about a day playing some Minecraft, and I gotta say this mouse feels great. The Kone shape is perfect for someone who has big hands like me. The mouse feet feel great, I just wish it was a little lighter and wireless. But like I said, the cable just feels like it's not even there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little review and unboxing of the Roccat Kone XP. Again, if you would like to purchase this yourself, there will be a link and a 10% discount code in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.